You dared to interfere in my project?
My decisions are mine.
It take Kylie's cliff.
It's not Nikadayev's.
Soyoni!
Gets Hiprazini mine.
Mine! And into wait like fine rotolast and of my Marity bus? You dare challenge me?
You underestimated me.
You always make things difficult.
Maybe that's why you can't stop thinking about me.
You must tell me who leaked those Yumi others gunabouts or join. Snam it.
What if the truth destroys everything you've built? Look at the signature.
This can't be possible.
Who's that?
Our real problem just arrived.
This type of storytelling performs extremely well on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and other short-form video platforms. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I created a dramatic OI short featuring a mango CEO and a strawberry heroine using Seedance 2.0. Let's break down the entire process step by step. Step 1. For this project, I downloaded 2 AI-generated photos from Pinterest to use as characters in my video. Step 2. Write detailed scene prompts. For each scene, 1 describe the environment, character actions, facial expressions, and dialogue. To improve realism, I added mouth movement and emotional instructions for every line. The more visual details you provide, the more consistent the generated video will be. Step 3. Generate the video using Seedance 2.0. After preparing the script, I pasted the complete prompt into any video converter aivideo generator and uploaded the image as a character reference. Step 4. When I got the first clip, I uploaded it to the tool as a reference to continuously expand the plot. Once all scenes were generated, I merged them. In just a short amount of time, any video converter helped create a complete mini-drama.
And into wait like fine rotolast and of my Marity bus? You dare challenge me?
You underestimated me.
Let me know what fruit characters you'd like to see in the